Many of your neighbors will tell you, don't wait, don't delay. Now is the time to sign up for emergency alerts right now.
Not everyone knows how to do it, though, so we want to get back to Steve Steger, who can teach you right now. Steve?
Yeah, Tom, you've heard me talk ad nauseum here about wireless emergency alerts. They're the Amber Alerts that you get on your phone. That message is sent to all phones in a specific area, whether they signed up for an alert or not. Boulder County has been sending those alerts for evacuations during this fire, but both Jefferson County and Larimer County have not used that broader alerting system that goes to all phones. They have chosen to use their opt-in alerting systems. It's a good idea to sign up for your opt-in systems anywhere inside your county. So we'll show you some video here that gives you an idea of what some of those alerts look like in different parts of the state. You've got BOCO alert, Code Red, Lookout alert, Smart 911, Everbridge. They have all different kinds of names. Each county has its own alerting system. This requires you, if you have a cell phone, you've got to go in, make an account for your cell phone. You have to pick an address where you want to be alerted if there's an emergency in that area, and they'll send that alert to your phone. If you have a landline, chances are they have your number already in that system. I want to show you here on 9news.com. We have a list on this, back to the screen here. On the Steve on Your Side page, you go in, click this article, and you can see a lot of information about some of the fires already burning and some of the alert systems you can sign up for there. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, we've got a link that will take you to this, where you can sign up for every county's emergency alerts. So it's a good idea, guys, to sign up for where you live, where you work, where you have a cabin, anywhere where you are regularly.
Great advice. All right, Steve, thanks very much.